How to fix the Facebook profile lock option not showing. This tutorial shows you how to get the lock profile option back on your account. First, open the Facebook app. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From there, check if the lock profile option is showing. If it's not there, the most common reason is that professional dashboard or professional mode is enabled on your account. Next up, to check this, go back to your profile and look for Professional Dashboard at the top of your profile page, and tap on it. Moving on, once you're inside Professional Dashboard, look for the option to turn off Professional Mode, and go ahead and disable it. From here, go back to your profile and tap the three dots at the top right again. After that, check if the Lock Profile option is now appearing in the list. Following this, if it's showing, go ahead and tap on it. Then tap Lock Your Profile to enable it. Finally, keep in mind that the Lock Profile feature is only available in certain regions. If you've turned off Professional Mode and the option is still not showing, it may not be available for your account's region yet. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.